What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes, appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. Okay. Timestamps are in the description. All right. I know I said I was going to clear up a lot of questions from the comment section in this video, the final video of the year. That's right, people. The final video before we go into the new year. However, the previous video that was uploaded on this channel got so many comments. It was pretty controversial to an extent for this channel at least. So I'm going to have to clear that up and quell a few assumptions, all right? So the first thing I'm going to do in the video is state my position in regards to cryptocurrency and investing as far as holding these cryptocurrency coins. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and dig a little bit deeper into the swipe and Binance connection, because the previous video, let's talk about it. The previous video controversy was about the fact that Binance has bought Swipe. Okay, then after that, we're going to go and get to the main point of the video, which is Uniswap's breakout. So we're going to take a look at the charts, talk about entry, where you could possibly be entering for a perceived continued run up for a bull cycle for Uniswap. All right. Now that we got that done and out the way, let's get right to it. So let me state my position. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, my position is pretty clear and simple. I do not care for any of these cryptocurrencies. That includes Bitcoin. I am simply here as an investor trying to maximize the opportunity for money and grow my dollar portfolio value. Okay, that's it. I want to increase my stablecoin amount and or fiat amount, whatever the case may be. What we use to make payments, I want to increase that. The majority is in fiat, all right? Plain and simple. I do not care to hold any of these coins in the long term. And my reasoning is because technology takes such large steps and advancements that you don't know what's going to unfold as far as blockchain. Some new company, right? Some new company could come out with the most crazy advanced protocols and blockchain strategy and cryptography that could just blow everything else out the water and completely take over the industry, lowering the rating or the ranking placement, the market cap placement of Ethereum or XRP is going in the can right now. I mean, let's talk about that. Well, let's not talk about it. Let's not do that. But that's what's happening at the moment. Okay, so that's the point of my reason in not holding these coins longer than cycles. I make my investment decisions in cryptocurrency and anything else based on cycles so I can maximize that opportunity. Okay, now that we got that out the way, no, I'm not shilling. Yes, I have coins that I really like because they are solid coins and they pose great opportunities. But outside of that, me say, oh, these coins are going to be great and these is amazing. No, I don't care. All right. Now that we got that out the way, let's move over to the point of Swipe and Binance. Now, I get it. Binance is a harbinger of death when it comes to companies that it acquires. It's pretty much the place where great projects go to die, or companies that are sustaining and or have a little bit of growth and a decent roadmap go to die. That is the preconceived notion in regards to Binance because of so many things that they have got their hands on that have come of nothing from that acquisition or partnership. All right, we could talk about Neo, we could talk about Tron, we could talk about the crypto, the market cap website that they bought. We can talk about a BitTorrent token. Okay. Listen, the reality of it is this, and I'm going to make this comparison. Apple, Google, Facebook, these companies go out and they buy smaller companies because they have a certain thing that is going to improve them. Things that, they focus on small niches in the market and they grow a company out of it. and larger companies see through acquiring them that it is an opportunity to gain more market control, as well as improve their company. So here we go. Binance is going around gobbling up these companies so they can improve and grow Binance. That is business. It has nothing to do with scam. All right, please stop with this is scam, that's a scam, that's a scam, that's a scam. These are failed projects. These are companies being acquired. And you can even look at it as this. Check this perspective out. You spend hundreds of thousands of dollars building up a company, growing your team, doing all of these things so you can create a company to do what? To sell it to a bigger company. So some people can look at it as, oh, Binance just going to kill off these companies and consume all of these great projects and then do nothing with them. No, what they're doing is the person who built the company is looking to make millions, and the person looking to buy the company is looking to make millions and improve the overall control of the market and grow the company. That's just the reality of it. So regardless of whether I say, oh, swipe is this or swipe is that, my position in this channel is specifically for an opportunity to earn money in the market for a trade. All right. And remember, in 70 to 80% of the time, the market does not care what the company is doing. Remember, people still have to believe in the project overall. All right. Any other questions? Anything outside of that? That is fine. Yes, Binance a lot of people see it as shady and things like that, shady business. But the reality of it is, it's capitalism 101. And a lot of people don't like the idea of capitalism. They had this falsehood mentality of, equality and equal outcome. You can work harder than me all you want, but we still should earn the same. There are people who out here believe, a lot of people who believe that and are trying to push that expeditiously and forcefully. But nonetheless, this isn't about politics. This is about bread. And right now, Uniswap is taking off. It is doing exactly what I said, people. Break and hold that 414 to 420 range so you can be in bullish zone for Uniswap. A lot of people didn't like when I said that. You know, people coming in, oh, this guy, you don't know what you're talking about. Uniswap is going to $19,000. All right, I'm going extra. Anyway, let's do this. Uniswap is broke out. So let's take a look at the chart of Uniswap. Let's talk about entry, the breakout points, and everything else. If you want to, not financial advice. We don't give financial advice. Let's talk about that. Let's go over the charts. Let's see what we're looking at. See what we could be see what the targets are as far as price growth for Uniswap in the short, maybe even midterm, depending on what the charts tell us. And go from there. Then we'll come back and talk about everything else. Let's go. All right. Yes. Okay. Uniswap. You do know how we do this. Okay. Weekly chart. Yes. Not much to see here, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, this is a coin that hasn't come out very long ago, but I will say this. Down here at the bottom of this candle stick, let me put a circle here for you guys. Bullish engulfing candle. And if you've been following along on this channel, you'll know that there's been a lot of bullish engulfing candles playing out, doing very well for the channel. So here's the little circle circling the bullish engulfing candle. You know, the green candle is larger than the red candle, or the red candle can fit inside of the preceding candle, proceeding candle. So you get where I'm going with this. But anyway, so not much to see here, but I just want to point out that previous support that I drew around $3.09. As you can see, it held. It held and it broke out from there. But what we want to know is entry. Where are we going from here? So let's go down to the daily and let's see where we go from here. Okay, down on the daily, things seem to be looking much more clear. All right, so you're at a resistance right now that you got rejected. That resistance was, what was this? $5? Just above $5 and some change. I think it was $5.05 or something like that. Nonetheless, things are looking pretty good for Uniswap. And as you know, the target is either going to be a candle body to the left. If you look to the left, okay, I'm going to draw two targets for you on this chart, plain and simple. All right, here you go. on this chart, this is your first target. You can look to the right in the blue box, $6.93. That is the candle body. All right, that is your first major move target. And if you can break that from the jump street and go straight to the wick of this first candle from the all-time high run up early on, that's going to bring you to this candle right here. This price point right here. All right, you can see that to the right on this screenshot, and that is $8.63. Okay, so those are your major moving targets for Uniswap. So over time, this bullish market, you can presume, because this is a bullish market, that you're going to reach those levels. Okay, now let's talk about entry right here on the daily, and then we'll flow down into the shorter time frames to take a look at what's happening in the immediate, even though pretty much what's happening is what's happening. Okay, so your first support is going to be, of course, that price point that I've been talking about for Uniswap for probably 2 months now, $4.24. Let's click on this line and let's see what it actually is going to be. Okay, we got $4.41. But don't be, you can look to the right in the blue box on this screenshot. That'll give you the $4.41 where it broke above. Okay, now it's probably going to break that and fall into a range. Right now, I'm going to draw an additional line on a shorter time frame. Let's go down to the 12-hour to show you what that additional support, if it breaks 440, is going to be. Let's go down to the 12-hour. Okay, down on the 12-hour, you already know, if I told you you had to break it, it's the range you're going to retest. But let's draw the line of the price point. Now, if you break that 440, you do not, if you can break 440, come down to around 418, you can see it right there to the right in the blue box, you're in the safe zone. But once you fall below 418, you are in the dangerous zone for Uniswap. You're going back into a neutral zone where you can either go bullish or bearish. Okay, so if you see a dump in the market and you immediately come back into this range, I would expect a lot of people to look at that as a buying opportunity in a quick recovery for a continued move higher toward those major moves for Uniswap. This is not going to be a tomorrow move, all right? But this is not financial advice. Nope, it's not. But the idea is to play this so that the risk to reward is amazing for you, all right? So if you're not already in Uniswap, you are running a high risk, trying to run up. Other than that, if you're saying, okay, these are the targets, you pointed them out, I just want to hold for the midterm to see if it gets there, that is up to you. That is an option as well. Not my forte though. Okay, down on the 8-hour, it's not much to see here. You can already see that the prices are already broken out and heading higher. So you can see the volume is lowering a little bit down here on the volume. So let's see if this move starts to die out as you get closer and closer toward the top, or closer and closer toward that first major move. It doesn't really matter to go down on the 4-hour, but I'll place it here for you guys to look at it anyway. I'll go to the 4-hour, and you can see that these lines, they're lining up. It's adding up as far as everything that I spoke of in previous Uniswap videos. So what I will do is I go back out to the daily, which is the most important chart right now for Uniswap because of the lack of information. So what I'm looking for right now, again, is a retest of this breakout area, whether that comes from a dump from Bitcoin or whether it comes from just people taking profits from this area in Uniswap. Now, your local zone, your local price target is $5.25. Okay, if you look left, you're going to see that's an area where you got rejected. I'm going to put a circle here for you guys. Let me draw a circle here. Boom, boom. Okay, you guys can see it while I'm drawing it. Okay, that is your local area where you got rejected previously when you tried to recover from the initial run-up after a dump from $8. So that's where your local resistance is. So if you get rejected there, that's where you could potentially see the price to come back and retreat back down to 440 or maybe even 418. All right, there you guys have it. That's Uniswap. I pretty much called it as I saw it, it was not any, look, and I was correct, not tooting horns, just saying it wasn't going to be bullish until you got above that. It is bullish. Now, can it hold? Are you taking profits now, or are you going to wait to see if there's a if it can maintain this bullish run up for Uniswap? Now, if I am to personally play this, I am only getting in at a retest of that 420 support. If it doesn't come back down there, I'm not going to bother with it. All right, let's go to the final thoughts. So yeah, I mean, the one thing I definitely wanted to do is just let you guys know, like, yes, I am aware of the whole Binance thing. I know there are a lot of people who do not like Binance. They don't like the idea of them trying to be this next conglomerate, this huge takeover company and you know, conquer all. But the reality of it is, you're not going to stop people from wanting to have that control, that dominance, that power. So, you know, it's just it's a thing. The only thing you can hope is that, you know, the decentralization aspect of it supersedes that. But even with the introduction of injective protocol, it looks like they're trying to control the decentralized aspect of it as well, and say, yeah, we did that. But nonetheless, appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure you let us know in the comment section what you think, any other concerns that you have as far as the channel, anything you guys want to ask us. I will finally get around to the rest of those questions going to the new year, because we will come out the gate running with videos. So you know, you can let us know in the comment section if you have any questions, any videos, or on Instagram at the.dollar.tree. I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers to a new year, and let's get these gains. All right, let's see if we can get these gains popping. I'll see you guys later.